Have you ever set your alarm for 5 a.m. with big plans, only to hit snooze and wake up at 8, feeling guilty? You tell yourself, I'm just not a morning person. I need my sleep. But what if I told you that a factory worker drowning in debt discovered that 5 a.m. gave him the time to build a side business that changed his entire life? This is the story of Marcus. Stay with me. His name was Marcus, 41 years old, factory worker for 18 years. 2 kids, mounting debt, wife working 2 jobs. Same job, same shift, same paycheck that was never enough. He'd had dreams once, wanted to start a landscaping business. But when? After work, exhausted, weekends for family. There's just no time, he'd say. Marcus felt trapped, until his neighbor changed everything. His neighbor, Mr. Ben, owned a successful cleaning company. One morning at 5:30 a.m., Marcus saw him loading equipment. "You're up early?" Marcus asked. "I'm up at 5 a.m. every day. Have been for 20 years, Mr. Ben said. "Why?" "Because 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. is when I built my business, while I still had my factory job." Marcus was shocked. "You worked at the factory?" "For 15 years, same one as you. But I woke up at 5, worked on my business for 2 hours, then went to my shift. After 2 years, I had enough clients to quit." Marcus felt something click. Marcus started waking up at 5 a.m. 5 to 6 a.m., learned about landscaping, watched videos, planned. 6 to 7 a.m., worked on neighbors' yards, free at first, building portfolio. Month 3, 3 paying clients, $200 a month extra. Month 6, 5 regular clients, $500 a month. Month 12, 15 clients, $2,000 a month, more than his factory salary. He quit the factory. 2 years later, small landscaping business, 2 employees, twice his old income. All because of 5 a.m. Here's the truth. 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. 2 hours when the world is asleep. That's 730 hours a year. Enough to learn a skill, build a business, change your life. While others sleep, you build. Think about that dream you've been putting off. Now imagine having 2 uninterrupted hours every day to work on it. That's 5 a.m. For 30 days, wake up at 5 a.m. Use those 2 hours for your dream. The first week will be hard, but by month 6, you'll see results. By 1 year, your life will be different. Try it, because the gap between where you are and where you want to be isn't luck. It's 5 a.m. If you woke up at 5 a.m. for 30 days, what dream would you finally have time to work on? Comment below. Let's practice waking up 5 a.m. together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friend.